Hello everyone, I am Shivani and welcome to vakilaw, Know the Law. So in today's session, I will be discussing about Pursis. So this question can be asked as a short note. So in my today's session, I will be providing you key points to remember while writing an answer to a short note of Pursis. Let's begin. So Pursis is a written statement or information given to the court pertaining to any matter pending before it, which may include information, facts, joint statements, compromise, settlement, no instruction for party, etc. Pursis is done with an intent to put the same before the court for consideration in any proceeding. For instance, the party can file a Pursis and inform that there is an out-of-court settlement and hence it wishes to withdraw the suit, or in the alternative, the terms of compromise are documented, thereby requesting the court to pass a consent decree. Leave of court can be obtained post-statement of a party and the verbatim copy of the statement needs to be submitted on the same day, which can be recorded in the hearing. So Pursis can also be referred to a procedure to get the verbal remarks of the opposite party in the court. What is the stamping for Pursis? So requisite court fee stamps are required to be affixed to the Pursis as per the respective state high court rules. For example, in Maharashtra, court fee stamp are to be affixed as per the rules mentioned in the Bombay Court Fees Act. So this is all about Pursis. I hope that the information that I have provided to you is useful. See you in my next session. I hope you like my videos. If you like them, please hit the like button, share my videos, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Vakilaw, Know the Law. Till then, this is me Shivani signing off. Bye-bye.